Students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Wing. This is third part of video lecture for class 8, Civics, chapter 7, and chapter's name is Understanding Marginalization. Students, today we will understand minority and marginalization. All of us understood very well what is marginalization. Do you know or do you understand minority? Minority means Alpasankyak. Minority means numerically less in number in respect of rest of population. Numerically less in number in respect of rest of population. This would be religious minority, linguistic minority, cultural minority, etc. Student, our constitution provides safeguard to minorities. Our constitution provides safeguard to minorities. Why? Because our constitution is committed to protect fundamental rights of its citizens. And right to practice religion is fundamental right. So, Indian Constitution had to provide safeguard to minorities because majority communities may influence them. Majority community may affect their culture. Majority community may forbid minorities to practice their culture, practice their religion and custom. Students, majority should not insult the minorities. Majority should not hamper the rights of minority. That's why our constitution provide safeguard to minorities. Students, if majority compel minority to practice or to adopt their religion and or to follow their religion and to abort their own religion, provision is provided by our constitution. Any person may knock the door of court if they believe their fundamental rights are being violated. If Constitution do not provide safeguard to minority, majority community might insult them. They might prevent minority communities access to the public places or to enjoy other fundamental rights. So, a provision is provided by our Constitution that if any person believes that their rights are being violated, they can go to the court. Dear students, now question may arise that why this provision is given by our Constitution? Student, our country is of linguistic, cultural and religious diversity. In India, people of almost all the religion live together. And if any community is being insulted, they might revolt against the government. So, to prevent community clash, our Constitution has provided safeguard to the minorities. If this safeguard is not provided, clash between communities, or this would be harmful for peace of the country. This might create disunity among people in the country. Student, in the chapter Judiciary, we studied that our Constitution is committed to provide as well as safeguard for our fundamental rights. Because if this safeguard is not provided, there might be clash between the communities. And that would be harmful for the unity of the country. That's all. Student, tomorrow we will study Muslim and marginalization. Stay at home to fight with Corona. That's all.